What's up, everybody?
SOS.
Somebody come and rescue me.
Subin. Subin. I love Subin. We're going places with this. Hi.
I love you so much, Pookie.
They actually.
She just said her eye bags glow in the dark.
They actually like the darker
They
I go,
illuminate.
the more they show.
They illuminate.
Or the lighter I go, they show even more.
No, they like glow.
Well, no, they just like.
They're just like.
Oh my god, I look like an egg.
Breaking dishes.
It's not healthy. Do you have food?
No. Lashes, so beautiful. So beautiful. Look at them.
Run before they get you.
Ew, my retainer's so... I feel so stupid looking when I'm at school. Like, why do I feel like... Ah! Why do I feel like I look stupid? Ugh. I need to get home. I need to take off this mascara. I need to sleep. And I need to cry.
You know what? If Mama had dizzies, she would definitely wear them without smiles. I'm not joking.
Oh man, oh mighty, mighty, mighty. Woohoo! It's raining. Ah! Actually, stop, bro. Stop. Ew, your shoes are gonna stink.
My socks are wet. Oh, my socks are wet. My socks are wet, bro. To go out.
But we wanted to walk Hannah.
But
so we
she
went outside.
said leave. She said leave.
Yeah. It's actually so cold. Look at the
You know
rain.
what's colder?
What?
My heart. I'm not worried.
Bro, say that again.
Sorry. Wait, I thought we were dating. Me and you? Yes, I thought we were dating.
Oh my god. Hey, we're not on. This is so cute. Look at them. My favorite. Stop! Ow! Ow!
Come here, give me your bag. Imprint.
No. Let's put imprint. You guys are so ugly. Ah, it's so cold. Stop. Walla, stop. Walla, bro, ew. I found a monkey. Stop.
It's because I'm African.
Stop. I'm African too. Stop. Yellow car. Look at your coat.
My coat's the one thing. Is my mascara?
No, it's mine.
Let me see. It's good. That's just a little piece. There, got it.
My headphones. If my headphones get wet and they break, I'm done for. Oh my god, my phone's all wet. Bestie, Westie. Uh-oh, it's our brother. Okay. Say it again for him.
Oh my god, it's my favorite security guard.
Do you actually have to go all the way down there? Bro, are you for real? She doesn't she look like a capybara or whatever that animal is?
Me? Yeah, you
Both of you.
Oh
Both of you together?
It could be a capybara.
Yeah, I saw
The
it.
stop motion I made?
No, you made a stop motion?
Yes. Stop motion? Did you bring it to school? Oh my gosh, bring it to school on Friday.
4 babies?
Yeah.
It's a capybara, bro.
Wait guys, I'm for it. On Friday. Look at my camera. On Friday, bring it. Why? And do what with it? Throw it at people? No.
So you can tell
I
me she
can
looks like
see
a
it.
capybara.
It has 4 babies, by the way.
4 babies? Come on, let's go.
Black baby. I can't find it.
Oh man. This is school. I hate school so much. I hate the fact that my hijab is not like staying in place.